What's interesting, though, about the whole thing, too, because some people might have been thinking this, from the first day, look at how it breaks over ADR in the afternoon, right? Mm-hmm. I was willing to hold the trade on the first day because it never broke the 8 EMA, which made me feel like it could break ADR. So the second day, Thursday, ADR goes up to 64. It goes from 56 to 64. It's getting bigger. Yeah. What did it do yesterday? It broke it again yesterday. Yeah. So then today, would I think that it's just going to stop at 73? Maybe, more likely than it was to yesterday, right? Because now it's moved up 3 days. It's increasing that average. Maybe the average is more accurate now, 3 days into it. But that still takes me up to 125.70 at least today.
Yeah.
You follow what I'm saying? So you start to see pairs break ADR. Don't get scared of them. It's showing you there's more volume, there's momentum in it. I'm like, okay, let's lean into this and take advantage of this.
Yeah, it's still just like read what it's telling you. Everything's still in the buy zone. It hasn't broken the 8 EMA yet. There's no reason to get out of this.